Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Twitch error 5000. So in this video I will show a couple of solutions. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and every task related to streaming. So for example OBS or Discord. Sometimes it basically causes the problem, these two. So if you're running OBS, just end the task, or if you're running Discord, end the task as well and try Twitch if it's working for you or not. So this is the first solution, and if the problem persists, then go to your Google Chrome, and then you just need to press on the three little dots here on the top right, then go to settings, and once you're here, then on the left side you should go to privacy and security, and then you need to go to cookies and other site data, and then scroll down. When you see all the data and permissions, press on that, and here you just need to write Twitch, and just delete all the cookies here, right? And after you do that, then you need to go to your extensions. So on the top right it should be a little puzzle icon here, so press on that, and then go to manage extensions and disable all the extensions here, right? So I have plenty of it, and probably you have a little bit less, but nevertheless you just need to disable all the extensions for a bit, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then you just need to go to on search, you just need to write command prompt and run this administrator, as you can see here. And then you need to basically paste the following codes here. So first one, you just need to write ipconfig /DNS, press on that, as you can see here, and then you need to write dash winsock reset. Go ahead and do that, as you can see here. And the last one is dash int IP reset. Go ahead and do that, as you can see here, and try Twitch. And if the problem persists, then another solution is for you to change DNS. To do so, on the bottom right corner you should see a little network icon here, so right click on it, go to open network and internet settings, and go to change adapter options here, right click on it, go to properties here, and then look for internet protocol version 4 and go here, and then press this use the following DNS server addresses and enter this DNS 8.8.8.8 and all alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Press OK and look if the problem persists or not. So if the problem persists, then another solution is for you to go on Twitch and try to basically log out to your account and log into a different one if you have some. And if the problem persists, try to change your Internet Explorer. So if you're using Chrome, try to use Mozilla Firefox, maybe Opera or Brave, or simply Microsoft Edge, and look if the problem persists or not. So there's basically all the solutions that I want to show you guys, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.